What's up guys, welcome back to the iBox channel. I'm Tanner and today we're going to show you how to adjust your Stage 1 Pro Truck lift system. So as you can see, we're working on this super nice Bronco today. He's currently at our lowest clip setting, which without any additional weight would put you at about a 1.3 inch lift in the front and a 0.6 in the rear. However, he's got a little bit of additional weight on here. He's got a bumper and a winch, some sliders, and he's got some gear towards the back. So today we're going to bump it up to the third clip setting to see where we sit after that. So let's get started. All right, so our technicians just pulled the shocks off. As stated earlier, we're currently at the default setting, that lowest clip setting, which is about a 0.6 inch lift over factory height. So we're going to go ahead and bump it up to the third clip setting, which should put us right around a 2.25, maybe 2.4 inch lift, depending on how much weight you have back there. So we're going to go ahead and pull off our spring perch. We're going to take our circlip tool, and instead of just simply moving this old one up to the third clip setting, we're going to go ahead and discard this one, and we're going to install a fresh circlip that's provided in your kit. All right, so old circlip is off, and before you recycle your box, make sure you grab two of these little envelopes that are inside there. These are your brand new circlips that you're going to use. All right, so we've got a brand new one on. All right, so we've got our fresh circlip on the third setting. Make sure that that's nice and seated properly, no issues there. We're ready to install our spring perch. Make sure this doesn't get installed upside down. It's really easy to do that. So the best way to make sure that it's installed correctly is you see that iBox logo. Make sure that that's facing down when installed. All right, everything looks good. Now we're ready to install our spring and our top mount. As far as the fronts go, simply repeat the process and you're ready to throw everything back on the truck. All right, so our technicians just got done bumping up the Bronco to the third clip setting, front and rear. As you can see, the stance is perfect now. We've got plenty of ground clearance. However, what I love best about the Stage 1 kit is there's still two more clip settings in the rear. So let's say Ryan goes with an armored bumper back there, or he puts a ton of gear in the back. He's got two more ride height settings that he can choose from. Also up front, he's got an additional clip that he can go up as well. So let's say he goes with a skid plate up front, maybe a bunch of armor underneath that's gonna weigh him down. He still has that additional clip that he can really dial in the ride height. All right, so that's how you adjust the ride height on your Stage 1 Pro Truck lift system. As always, if you have any questions regarding this kit or any of our other products, give us a call or visit iBox.com.